For over 60 years, the Hansel Automotive Dealers have been the North Bay's premier automotive dealer group. And here's another example of a great vehicle from our huge selection of quality pre-owned cars and trucks, which comes equipped with streaming audio, cargo area concealed storage, evasion assist, full floor console with covered storage, driver information center, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, fully galvanized steel panels, side impact beams, illuminated locking glove box, multi-link rear suspension with coil springs, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Our long-standing history in the transportation industry actually began 5 generations ago in 1851. And today, the Hansel name represents 8 automotive brands with 9 dealerships. Every vehicle we sell goes through a rigorous inspection by our factory-trained technicians. And with so many vehicles to choose from, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for. We hope you'll give us the opportunity to experience what excellence in customer service looks like. So give us a call or stop by today. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.